Kia ora, ko te aho, hara mai, welcome to Homemade Let's Cook. We're making some quick and easy satay chicken parcels today. I've done a little bit of prep work in that I've taken one small red capsicum and I've char grilled that just on the stove. I've diced it and then fried it until it's black around each of the edges. Then we've got some pre-purchased shredded chicken from the supermarket. You could of course cook your own chicken and shred it from there, but just cool down your capsicum before you put the other ingredients in. We've got a bottle of satay sauce here as well, some pastry, some egg wash, and that's all we need. So in goes our shredded chicken. I need something to mix with it as well, I'm thinking. So just give that a little bit of a mix together, and then we're going to add some of the satay sauce. So I've got a 250ml bottle here, and I'm just going to start by adding around half of that, because we don't want the mixture too wet and we don't want it too dry either. So that looks about right. And that actually has probably only used about 100 mils of satay sauce. So of course, if you've got more chicken and you've got more mouths to feed, just increase the quantities to suit. So that's what we're looking at there. Now I've got 2 pastry sheets here. I have cut them into squares, and that is going to be the size of the parcels that we're going to make. Now I am just going to quickly pop some egg wash around 2 of the sides of each square, and that is where we will put our join. Now our oven of course is already on, and that's on hot, and these won't take a long time to cook. Of course your mixture is cooked, so all we're really cooking is the pastry. And then of course we don't have to worry about the filling. So once these have puffed up, we're ready to take out of the oven. So just put spoonfuls of mixture. I've just got a dessert spoon here. Spoonfuls of mixture in each. And we should have enough for 8 parcels here. You could make these bigger, of course. Might be a little bit fiddly making them smaller. Just in the middle there. And then of course, we fold them over, just a quick wash of the hands. Let's bring in our tray as well. So just fold them over. You might need to just space the mixture a little bit. So these of course, squares into triangles, and it's up to you what you want to do around the outside. You could crimp them a little bit, you could get a fork and make some indents with your fork around the outside, or you could just fold them over like I'm doing here, like you would a pasty, and they can just go straight onto the tray. So do that for each of them, and when you're done all of them, just some final egg wash. I will also put some small notches in the top, so just some minor air holes. And then we'll wait for them to come out of the oven. So I'm going to continue doing this, and then we'll see you again when they come out. And here they are, straight out of the oven, lovely and golden. Wait for them to cool down a little bit before serving. and please enjoy. Thanks for joining us for Homemade Let's Cook. Ka kite.